Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at cryptocurrency derivatives. Cryptocurrency derivatives are financial instruments whose value is derived from the underlying price of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other digital assets. These derivatives allow investors to speculate on the price movements of cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying assets directly. Here's an overview of some key cryptocurrency derivatives. Futures contracts. Cryptocurrency futures contracts are agreements to buy or sell a specified amount of cryptocurrency at a predetermined price on a specified future date. Futures contracts enable traders to speculate on the future price of cryptocurrencies, allowing them to profit from both upward and downward price movements. Options contracts. Cryptocurrency options contracts give the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a specified amount of cryptocurrency at a predetermined price, the strike price, on or before a specified expiration date. Options contracts come in two main types: call options, which give the holder the right to buy the underlying asset, and put options, which give the holder the right to sell the underlying asset. Swaps. Cryptocurrency swaps are agreements between two parties to exchange one cryptocurrency for another at a predetermined exchange rate. Swaps can be used for various purposes, including hedging against currency risk, arbitrage opportunities, or gaining exposure to different cryptocurrencies without directly purchasing or selling them. Perpetual contracts. Perpetual contracts, also known as perpetual swaps or perpetual futures, are similar to traditional futures contracts, but do not have an expiration date. Instead, perpetual contracts are designed to mimic the spot market price of the underlying cryptocurrency, with funding rates periodically exchanged between buyers and sellers to maintain the contract's price close to the spot market price. Cryptocurrency derivatives play a crucial role in the cryptocurrency ecosystem by providing liquidity, price discovery, and risk management tools for investors and traders. However, derivatives trading also carries inherent risks, including market volatility, leverage amplification, and counterparty risk. Therefore, it's essential for participants in the cryptocurrency derivatives market to understand these risks and employ appropriate risk management strategies.